Introducing the stunning 2021 Audi A6 TDI S-Line in a sleek blue finish. This luxurious saloon boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, automatic transmission, and only 62763 kilometers on the clock. Packed with comfort and tech features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, and satellite navigation. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle with chrome accents, privacy glass, and more. This Audi has undergone a full health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer standards, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. For more information, call us or visit www.connorcassidycars.ie today. Experience luxury and performance in the Audi A6 TDI S-Line.